Hey guys, welcome back to Jack on Tracks. In this episode, we're gonna do some patriotic stuff. I picked this up at Willis Hobbies. They had it on the counter, and I saw it and I wanted it. Acurail 250th anniversary car, 1776 to 2026. Uh, a little bit off camera, what I did was I painted this weight and I glued it in place. I just put these ends on just to hold it. I gave these ends a touch of panel line to just maybe highlight them a little bit more, and it looks pretty good. I think I did just the right amount. I'm probably going to weather this one up a little bit too. I don't know why, but I think I'm going to. It's just too silvery for me. So, all right. So the bodies, it's an Acurail car. These are actually really nice cars. These hoppers are actually really pretty decent hoppers. You can look on there, see what the graphics on them, pretty clear. You can't read the Constitution because it's way too small. Well, but it's there. So, 250 years American independence over here, 250th anniversary, the Liberty Bell, USA 2026. So that's all that. All right, so we'll put that in there. There we go. Get these domes off. Now, I don't know if Acurail does many ready-to-roll cars, but they are pretty, these are pretty decent kits. So, we're going to look at that. All right, so there's actually a little. These kits are really nice. I've been building these things for I don't even know 30 years. So there's if you look on the bottom, there's a little knockout there, so you get everything put in place correctly. That's those hatches. That's the body. All right. Okay, so on these ends, this end over here gets this brake cylinder. That gets that brake cylinder. I put a little touch of, like I said, I came in here with a little panel line on these, just to give them a little definition, because they really had there was no distinguishing anything with them. They were just look silver. So now this one, I want to clean it. Very little mating surface on this, and it's hanging out there in space. that. Oh, we get these gates put on. Oh, now we got that. So, let's see what we got going on here. We're using a set of these InterMountains I picked up at Amherst. Now, the question is, what size is that? I've been needing one of these for a long time. I'm not just gonna go willy-nilly on this. What did I just do with my piece of this stack of that? There we go. Yeah, that's a 2x56. All right, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna remount these holes because you guys have seen me do this before. I thread these with this die. The end on the right end. We're gonna take these trucks and we're gonna give them a little coating, some NATO green, NATO black. And they'll flatten them out, and they'll look pretty decent. So I'm gonna do that, and then we'll come right back. All right, guys. So once again, we suffered some technical difficulties with this camera, but really didn't miss much. You've seen me do before, where I give the little chalk over the top of these trucks to get them to pop a little bit, and that's all we did on those. So that's that. Now we're just gonna put the trucks on. With the screws tapped. Oh, it's so much nicer. You just feel it go on, and you know when you're tightened down and stuff like that. There's no guessing over tightening and stripping it out. All right, guys. So that's it. That's the build of this car. I don't have any air hoses, So we're not throwing air hoses on this thing right now, but when my new set of air hoses show up, we'll throw them on there. So just try to figure out how we can put this in the box, keep it from getting mangled up over time. So that's really it, guys. Thanks for watching Jack on Tracks. Like and subscribe. Hit that notification button. I'll throw some pictures of this up on the West Island layout. Getting pulled around. And, once again, guys, thanks for watching Jack on Tracks. And as always, I'll catch you later.